Ruel Reid is the most shameless man I know. Ruel Reid wants Jamaica College job back. Why? For what? For do a with?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Former education minister said to be preparing to return as principal when his vacation ends on the 1st of November. Disgraced former Minister of Education and Information Ruel Reid is moving with haste to reassume his role as principal of the prestigious all-boys institution, Jamaica College. Reid, who was fired by Prime Minister Andrew Holness last March, at the height of allegations that he became embroiled in activities that could bring his office as minister into disrepute, has been keeping a low profile since, if he continue to keep it. Although he was spotted on the campaign trail during the by-election in Eastern Portland last April, I not even did know this. His name has also been linked with irregular conduct at the state-run Caribbean Maritime University, which fell under his portfolio. It fell, yes, pun intended. Investigations are said to be continuing into his role in both matters. The opposition PNP has also said that he has still been campaigning in the seat that he was approved to contest in the next general election, the St. Ann Northwestern seat, the one where Othniel Lawrence did give up after him get contract as advisor down a maritime. But the ruling Jamaica Labour Party, through its General Secretary, Dr. Haste, has stated that Reid has been removed as the candidate and denied that Reid had been continuing his campaign activities. Word emerged midweek that Reid, through his legal operatives, was advanced with plans to get his job back at Jamaica College. He was seconded to the Ministry of Education after the Jamaica Labour Party won the 2016 general election. The formal 2-year secondment was approved by the JC board against recommendations, I suppose. Recommendations by the Old Boys Association, recommendations from the Parentees Association, and recommendations from the Student Council at JC. Them said them never want him back up there and it should not be extended, but the board went ahead and did it same way. The formal 2-year secondment was approved by the JC board, headed by Michael Bernard, and an extension was sought by the government and approved by the board almost 3 months before the expiration of the initial agreement. Why was there such great haste to have that contract extended 3 months before its expiration date? So during the period, experienced educator Wayne Robinson was appointed to act as principal and has, according to members of the JC fraternity, earned a high level of respect for his stewardship of the institution. It is understood that Reid, a 52-year-old married father of 2 and lay preacher, is demanding that he reassumes his role as principal by November the 1st of this year at the end of his 8-month vacation, or legal action could be initiated. He's still being paid as principal. Though another area of concern to the former education minister, a source said, is the top-up payment that he normally gets from affiliated fraternity groups. One in this instance being the Old Boys Association, which discontinued the payment after the upheaval at the ministry. That top-up payment too could also be the subject of litigation. So Ruel Reid basically is audacious enough, is shameless enough to tell the Old Boys Association, who normally contribute financially to the principal of the institution, out of them own goodness, say him need them money. Deacon Ruel Reid is basically saying to the Old Boys Association of JC, so you see that look a change I want to normally top up my salary with, me I go want it back, but no easy. I want to promise I want to give man things and take it back. And me I go so no. What a shameless fellow. Top-up payments are given by some schools to principals as an added incentive, either in anticipation of good work or a reward for outstanding achievements by the institution. Prominent schools like Wolmer's Boys, Kingston College, Monroe College, which is Reid's alma mater, and St. George's College are among others which have such a system in place, which is recognized and allowed by the Ministry of Education. But a return by Reid to JC as principal could spark fireworks, and it should. As a matter of fact, it shouldn't happen in the first place. Ruel Reid should, as a man, if him have any form of decency left in him, if him did have any integrity to begin with, should simply cut his losses and walk away from Jamaica College. I cannot understand the fixation that Ruel Reid has of wanting to reassume his position as principal at Jamaica College. But a return by Reid to JC as principal could spark fireworks, as some members of the fraternity do not wish to have him sit in the principal's chair again. As a matter of fact, the chair when he used to sit down in a dash way too. Several old boys are among those opposed to his return, and the Jamaica College Old Boys Association had earlier this year written to the schools board calling for Reid's employment to be terminated forthwith. The board had said then that it would seek legal advice on the matter. Major General Basil Jarrett, he is the president of the Old Boys Association at JC. So when contacted recently, president of the Jamaica College Old Boys Association, Major Basil Jarrett, said that he would not comment on the matter at this time. However, 3 other JC old boys who have played major roles in the growth of the school said on Friday that they were adamant that Reid should never return to the school unless it is to collect his belongings. The man them say, them a remain adamant say, Ruel Reid should only return to the Old Hope Road base institution only for collect 2 scandal bag within things them family. We do not want him back. That is a given. I think the Old Boys Association should just come out and say that nothing has changed in the quest to have Reid stay out. We really want to move on, one said. Another uttered, I have heard the rumors that Reid wants to return. But after all that has happened at Education Ministry, would he have no shame if what I am hearing is true? Why would he really want to get back into an environment of bright boys with questioning minds, with all those clouds hanging over his head? I'm gonna tell you why. Him nah no shame. Hey man, shame tree never grow, brother. Cause on a chapter, you know, he ain't did it. There is also the view, as expressed by another old boy, that a return by Reid could also disrupt the flow of operations at JC, as there was discomfort among the 98 members of staff, although according to him, they were so professional that they did not express their true emotions in public. It would be a very awkward situation. I do not think that there would be any peace at Old Hope Road if the former education minister were to go back there. One educator who served at JC not so long ago expressed surprise that Reid would even contemplate going back to the school. He must be smarter than that, the veteran suggested. Why would anybody who has been embroiled in such controversy want to end up back guiding a school? Because he is a fool. I am aware that the government is said to be investigating. Yeah, the government is said to be investigating the allegation against him. But even if he is cleared, there will still be a stigma and fingers will always be pointed. He should think the matter over, the educator stated. Reid, who also served as president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, was appointed JC principal in 2006. Ruel Reid is unconscionable. He is shameless. He lacks decency. He lacks integrity. And apparently, he lacks senses. What a man barefaced. What a man audacious. What a man hungry for power. What a man not ashamed. Brother, walk away, youth. Cut. Take away yourself. Disappear. Vanish. Then you have a nerve you come tell the old boy them both say you want top up.
Teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.